Hello, my name is George McNew with Montel Construction. This is my good friend Dan. Today we are in Alto, Michigan, and we're going to talk with you about metal roofing. The problem with this particular home, actually they had a beautiful new roof, is less than 10 years old, but with the trees, the roof is covered in moss and algae every year. They have to clean it. So it just becomes a lot of work. Obviously metal is our premium product. You're going to see today a brand new color. We're getting into the matte finishes. We've got a matte black, a matte dark brown. They look beautiful and amazing. So basically the big thing, this was a tear-off roof. We've already got it torn off, it's dried in. As far as metal roofing, just a few years back, we were having to measure, put together a big material list, and the product is delivered in several large crates, and you cut the product on site, which tears up the entire yard. There's a lot of waste and debris. Our innovative step of today is we actually buy rolls of steel directly from American Steel, and we're going to show you that today, how we do our custom fit right on site. It reduces our waste and the debris, and we're excited about the new matte finish, but also having a roof that is algae free and moss free. And Dan is going to be our technician. He's going to explain the process, and I hope you enjoy.
As George was saying, we're going to show you a process of the standing seam metal roof system, and this is our new tech machinery that we bring right out to the job site, and we bring the coils loaded, and we measure all the panels and program it in the computer and run the panels out of the process. The panels will run out, and we'll come all the way down to our standing seam snap table. So we run the panels through. This is our notcher. You don't have to use snips no more. You notch both sides. Slide it forward and you can cut it. And then you slide it forward with the panel and you hem it. And then you pull the panel out and it goes right up on the roof. There's no waste. That's the beauty about it. You don't have to have none of the crates sitting around trying to dig around and separate everything, because everything, each section of the roof is programmed into the computer.
Well, thank you for being with us today. It's our pleasure trying to share with you how we do roll-formed, custom-fit metal roofing. We're proud to sell American Steel, products made here in America. Please, if you would like a free, no-obligation estimate, give us a call, 616-805-4966, or shoot us an email at info@montelconstruction.com. And thank you for being with us. Thank you.